Farman F.222.2 BN5 specifications. Engines, Nomron GR14 and 11/15. Power, HP, 950. Wingspan, m, 36,0. Length of aircraft, m, 21,46. Aircraft height, m, 5,19. Wing area, square m, 188,7. Weight, kg. Empty aircraft, 10,400. Normal takeoff weight, 15,200. Maximum takeoff weight, 18,705. Maximal speed, km/h, 321. Time of climb, 13,5 minute. Headway, m, 8,000. Flying range with a bomb load of 2,500 kilograms, km, 2,000. Farman F.221, F.222, Creation History. The Farman family of heavy four-engine bombers was developed since the mid-20s under the leadership of M. Rock. Typical for the Farman Company, a high-rise chord wing with a considerable chord and thickness was combined in them with an angular fuselage with a rectangular cross-section. The power plant consisted of four engines in tandem pairs, each driving a pulling and a pushing propeller. The engines were mounted at the ends of a pair of short wings, which protruded from the lower part of the fuselage. The F.220.01 prototype equipped with Hispano-Suiza HS-12 LBR 12-cylinder liquid-cooled engines, 600 HP, first flew May 26, 1932. It was not accepted, but became the basis for F.221.01, which differed by other propulsion system, modified tail fins and improved gunnery turrets. It was tested in May 1933, and from 1935 such planes were built in small series. The F.221.01 was a prototype which was converted to the F.222.01 with retractable landing gear. In this configuration the plane was tested in the second half of 1935 and then was built in series. The total production of military versions F.221/222, including prototypes, reached 47 aircraft. Main modifications of Farman F.221. Farman F.221, 14-cylinder air-cooled engines Nomron GR14 KDRS, 800 HP. 3 7.5 mm machine guns, one each in the nose turret, one in the top turret, and one in the lower semi-retractable unit. Weight of a bomb load, 2,000 kilograms. Crew, 5 people. Till April 1936, 10 aircrafts were produced. Farman F.222.1, GR14 Kearse engines, 870 HP. Retractable landing gear was installed. Armament was similar to F.221. Weight of bomb load is 2,500 kilograms, max weight, 4,200 kilograms. 11 vehicles were made. Farman F.222.2, GR14 and 11/15, 950 HP, engines. The nose part of fuselage was modified. Till 1938, 24 trucks were produced. Combat use of Farman F-221s. By the beginning of World War II the F.221s were taken out of service or in the colonies and were flown by the EB-240 1st Squadron in Indochina. The more modern F.222s were in service with 2 squadrons of the 15th Bomber Squadron and 5 aircraft of this type had been in Senegal since July 1939 as part of the mixed wing of GAA-43. These aircraft had been patrolling the West African coast in search of enemy surface ships and submarines since the beginning of the war. In November 1939, 3 Farman F.222s were transferred to naval aviation. They were equipped with additional fuel tanks, occupying 2 of the 4 sections of the bomb bay. The planes joined the 10E Squadron and from mid-January 1940 were based in Morocco, conducting patrol flights in the Atlantic. The planes of 15th Squadron began to work in the night of December 22, 1939, but they did not drop bombs, flying over the cities of Germany and occupied Czech Republic, scattering leaflets, and conducting reconnaissance. Only on May 14, 1940, the night bombing raids on targets in the Rhineland, Württemberg, and Bavaria began. Until June 15, When the order was received to redeploy to North Africa, the GB-115th and GB-1115ths dropped about 135 tons of bombs on the enemy. There were no fatalities, only one aircraft crashed during an unsuccessful landing on the night of June 1. One of the F.222 Farmans of the Navy also served as a bomber. From June 14 to 22, 1940, it made several night raids on targets in Italy. After the defeat in France, GB-1115ths was disbanded and GB-115th was reorganized into a transport unit. The F.221s of EB-240 1st Squadron remaining in Indochina made several sorties over enemy airfields during the conflict with Thailand in January 1941, but by the end of the year they were written off. F.222 Farmans carried out transport missions in Syria and North Africa, and after the Allied landings in Morocco 4 machines became part of the Free French Air Force and were in service until the end of 1943. The Farman F.221/222 aircraft belonged to the same generation of heavy bombers as the Soviet TB-3. And like the TB-3, their French classmates by the beginning of World War II were hopelessly outdated.